Hello family, today I just wanted to show you my trade setup for USDCAD today, the one that I took, and kind of show you my thought process behind it. So let's go ahead and get started. When I first opened the chart, I noticed that we had a bullish momentum recently from this pair. I also started on the higher time frame to do my top-down analysis and had noticed that this market had been kind of moving upward, so I kept that in mind as well. But one thing I noticed when I went back to the 1 hour is that we had a swing high and the market had not made any newer highs. So right here, I identified my swing high candle, and then I used the signal candle strategy where I identified the next candle to the left as my signal candle, marked the zone from wick to body. And what I did was I put an alert for when the market closes and breaks below that zone to alert me. And when it did, what I did was I waited for the pullback, and I'm going to drop to a lower time frame to show you what I was looking for. I had my rally of sellers, so I knew there was selling momentum, but I also want to confirm before I just jump into this market. So I had dropped down to the 15-minute time frame typically to kind of identify some starting points where I could confirm that the sellers were taking control. So as you can see, this market broke and closed below. And then right here is when I got my pullback. And so one of the things you can do is identify some starting points, some interruptions when you're looking to sell. And typically the way you would do that is as it's going down, you know that the seller's in control, but the minute it starts to pull back, you could go ahead and mark this candle right here as your starting point, and once it breaks and closes below that, you can use that as a guide to confirm selling momentum, wait for the pullback, and then enter the trade. So the way I did that was I probably was on a lower time frame where I could get I think I was on the 5-minute earlier entry, which I'm pretty sure that's what I did because I had entered up here and caught the pips all the way down to this area. And so now what I'm looking for is a possible break and close below this zone here. I had identified this as a starting point on a lower time frame. As you can see right here, this was the last selling candle that pushed the market above this structure right here. So what I'm looking for, and then we have one right here as well, I'm looking for the market to break and close below this area to start selling down. At that point, I definitely will increase my lot size. Excuse me, not that area. The second one I drew up, I will be looking to increase my lot size once it breaks and closes below this zone right here. It's been holding, so we'll see what happens, but that's pretty much all I look for. And there's a couple other things that I'm looking to fine tune, mostly my entries, and to get better that way I won't have a lot like drawdown. And this one wasn't so bad. I was in instant profit on both of my entries. I took more than one entry. I took one at around the same level. So, all right, everyone, let me know if you have any questions. If you need some assistance, feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help and show you how you can enter this market and make mad money. Otherwise, take care and stay tuned to the next one.